NDC MPs omo some constituencies ehun ekoba asem no isi no kire say yensanye recollation no matete say bi mu ekeka say oh Supreme Court ebua say sa MPs ni nyina no omo wini. So in this case Baba Sanek mu nyina no yes say omo ewini. Well yes omo wini court no akasa judges no akasa nemom kasa na omo kaye no enye direct senia yemu bi ye fa asem no nemom this is what the courts and this is what the judges are really saying. They may break it down. Na watimi ate niema e course o court dem no ni nyina watimi ate ase. Run down ni nyina no aha ene wonti shemu ni nyina no me de ebe nemom obe subscribe to the channel no e de amaye wate ase. Na we wa like video no e de amaye obetimi a kire wadre or comment section ho enso e de aka obetimi follow on all social media platforms Dynamic TV Plus. We what's up today ene then echo de ko nyina ena me de brown.
He's about to go now.
Abuja so kaya after the December election no, that is the 7th December no. Yakoto aba ni wie no nyamie ni nukremie NDC omu wini ye with a whooping margin what you say. Na NDC MPs omu nya o parliament no. Na omu pe marginal about 2/3 of the parliament, which likely say na committee nya looking at the results na trooping in no. But somewhere along the line electoral commission where say some 9 constituencies be honoma results no ebe hia say ebe recollation reasons no ebi ne say at the time na personnel no adwuma on the said polling stations no ebi mo they were working under some kind of pressure what you say, which when we are talking about the democracy and you good say easy and as an officer of the electoral commission ebikwa o declare no na pressure bi won so say also declare tani amani nyina kabomu almost so results na if you obani mu enyiye nti isi no epese oye recollation na recollation no na NDC for so yes mpene so they are not going to support that because based on the constitution of the land na omu nyina de ye adwuma and even the embrana isi no de ye adwuma ne kire say abane ye kekai wie polling station what they are ubetimi a request for recollation. That is a time where yen declare election and as yen declare isi no enyen declare say this is the final results. But sinya declaration ni nyina wie dia unia recollation bi ani ho. Tomo ye omo ma case study to the 2020 election omo kan say then Mami Jemensa on sanya recollation or chira say abano it is being won and as so person win election you win polling station the polling station where me wani na ye ba abano na ye kenkan we dia unua eno ano no bibia ni wa ombetimi aye e dia fa ho but ayama say in 2024 it say ni de omotimi a hold on say omo ye recollation and then I'm so because of the 90s for you in say there is tension in the air and I'm so more NPP for no e dey asemi ko pie mu e high court ono kono masem ni nyina na ye simple. They filed for a mandamus. Na mandamus no actually say was say court no etimi ehye isi say adwuma yeti omo kasa omo nyeni. This is their civic responsibility and I said their civil responsibility. This is what they are supposed to do. And court no ensure omo say look the recollation has to be done. So what I say. Na was a mandamus ni mo no ene kopie court na isi ekopie ho NPP kopie ho ena as usual NDC zu kopie ho na nkroboni mu no ene kokopie se NDC for no actually say mandamus no hearing no in fact high court no ne decision will take here say isi no ebetimi akwaya recollation no in fact it was taken whilst omo involve NDC for intino sa we ele sa dia na one fair. So if we are applying the rule of law, in fact, fairness, it has to work. And so therefore, almost so verdicts now, high courts at the bar anymore. Because in the case of mandamus, I was say both parties, I was say we're burning crew, now we're so burning crew. No more to me who say NABA, a semnan casatia, but I quite to say, Utiba quasem, now dear Buadia, Tiasem no copy Supreme Court as Supreme Court chair say Supreme Court ne de on to me nka say ebia NPP emphasis no and I say after the recollation no NDC like was scrapping recollation in debi or say on to me yes and mum do can say the right thing has to be done no matter who is going to win no and not the share and form but the right thing that is NPP have to engage the NDC in the mandamus no na omunka asem nti ba bia be kwakosi no make say ho ene be kwakoda into a squash recollation nyina kire say all the process in fact the ends no the ends no I justify say the means no wrong so they should go back na omunko to omunioma yie nti osan say omunsan fa asem no enko high court ebio but omo the high court in this case a different judge and be preside on the case.
We have taken note of the fact that the applicants did not contend that there had been earlier completed collations in respect of Nsawam Adwajiri and Ahafwano North constituencies per paragraph 8 of the affidavit sworn to by Fifi Fiabikwete dated 16 December in support of the motion for judicial review filed by the applicants on 16 December 2024. Since the orders which have been brought to be quashed are separate and distinct, we have decided to exercise our discretionary power to quash by certiorari, having regard to the peculiar circumstances of each ruling. Consequently, we hereby quash the orders of mandamus made for collation of results by the Electoral Commission in the following constituencies. 1. Okaikwe Central. 2. Ablekuma North. 3. Tema Central. And 4. Techiman South. Accordingly, the collation of results in the above constituencies by the Electoral Commission after 20th December 2024 on the orders of the court are hereby set aside. For the avoidance of doubt, the orders of the High Court made in respect of Nsawam Adwajiri and Ahafwano North are not affected by this order, by this our order, and in effect, those declarations stand. Despite quashing the orders stated above, the applications for mandamus themselves are still alive and ought to be heard and determined.
Say ekobani say dia ene yen nyina yebetimi aka say 1 omu ringi ye as at the time you declare ye Electoral Commission no declare ye on the 7th of December no they are all winners. So some constituencies are affected no Okaikwe Central, Tema Central, Techiman South, and Ablekuma North. So these are some of the constituencies are court no share say winners nina no which nina NDC for and the fast seats no they should remain winners until say High Court no ebesa atena se na in this time around no onbeye the right thing. Enti enhye da nye se NDC for na win those seats, but it could be say after the whole hearing no ebi onbeka say mandamus no aferi o ma dismiss ade no nti no so mo dismiss there it means say NDC for no ebeko so aye MPs as in MP elects, so they will continue to usher into parliament and then perform their duties as it is deemed fit. But say company say omoye wi omoko na say High Court no so eje mandamus ni tun actually say if and go ahead to do the recollation there, then it just goes on to say there will be a recollation which omo kan wi ne sakobani say MPs no omo lose seat in there, then voila, there is nothing obi anso betumi aye e dey found. So that is the stakes. It's not like de facto nti e dey sa seat ni na e ba beka NDC for the no. And it's not as if say be a MPP for no, so maybe they've lost the case and they've lost something. It is now in a case na nkasa no. Eba be shase. Ebusama me hu dia odwen e de fa asem we hu. Me bae se mba bi teach mu. Na wati bibia ase. Mandamus no me hu se trend pa I say ayon go for the bar yeah mandamus no. I say makai 2012 court no. Yeah, you and I were not there. So that is it. Me hu dia odwen this particular case in home. Some people are allowing the Supreme Court judges and say, in fact, on my idea, what I say. So, somebody pepper and no cre at will be or said that. Name more just high court judges and also they should do their maximum best and their best possible. Send a no creno and the will of the people and the voice of the people will be properly represented and heard. What I say. This is what's up today. Dynamic TV Plus. Me did now dynamic. See you in the next one. I'm out.
NJ afutu aseresem ni nyina hefa ni ebe hu no dynamic TV Plus. Okutwa so me mo adefo ho dawuroda. Subscribe na share na fa comment bra said ye be ya ebe hu de wo pe na aso hu de mede ba. Adwen na anya adwuma nipadua no bre entenase ma areho enye wo moso. E ma konkonsan so ma wo bi fi abra o subscribe Dynamic TV Plus yanka bi na bibi papa hwe. Don't forget sa adwen na anya adwuma nipadua no bre.